Hey, this is Wes Fryer. I'm gonna actually, I guess I'm gonna post this on my regular channel. I think I might have found the amazing grits that I wanna not only prepare for our family, but if I end up doing some catering or, some food truck, Texas style barbecue, I think grits would be a great side item. So this is what I found today at True Value Hardware Store in Fort Mill, South Carolina. It is called Southern Field Stone Ground White Grits, produced by the Cotton Hills Farm at 2309 Wilson Road in Chester, South Carolina. Let me read to you what it says. Our family tradition. Southern Fields White Grits are grown and ground by Cotton Hills Farm in Lowrys, South Carolina. Our corn is grown from seed that has been handed down in the family of Carol Burris Wilson for over 100 years. Our corn is not genetically engineered. The corn is ground on a 1905 stone mill, which permits us to leave the germ or heart of the corn, thus giving you all the vitamins, nutrients, and flavor available. We immediately hand pack to assure freshness. We, the Wilson family, are proud of our product and want you to enjoy this old Southern favorite. And so they've got the recipe for Southern style grits. I love cheese grits. I'm excited to cook this. I'll put a link in the show notes. They also have this huge Christmas parade in Lowry, which is it's mid-December. It's on a Saturday. I think they said it was December 16th. I'll have to look it up. But I met Alex today at the True Value Hardware Store in Fort Mill, and he said his brother cooks the best grits in the world, and this is what he uses, and he invited me to come taste them in December. So I think I'm actually going to do that. But first, of course, I'm going to try myself. So you got any grits tips, cooking tips for grits? Let me know, because I never really grew up eating a lot of grits and not really liking them that much. But I've really had some amazing grits since we moved here to North Carolina, and I want to learn how to cook them myself and maybe even cook them and share them with others. We'll see.